I want to play a game. Failure to make the right choice could result in death.
It's Jigsaw.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day three of my Halloween looks. So today we're going to be doing Jigsaw. So first off, let's just jump into the tutorial. I've done this eyebrow and this cheek, so I'm just going to take some cotton ball and liquid latex and do this other eyebrow and this cheek for you guys. So basically just spreading out the cotton ball. Going in with some Vaseline or petroleum jelly on my eyebrows so the latex doesn't pull my brows out when I'm taking it off. Then once I'm done with that, getting a strip of cotton pad, I'm just going to So guys, those are the brows done. I'm just going to quickly map out the eye and come back. Okay guys, so my bald cap is on. So now I'm just going to stipple latex all over my face to kind of blend everything. Okay guys, so I decided to go in with some tissue on top of that latex instead of just latex alone. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing now. So going in with my white face paint, I'm just going to stipple. The whole mask is dry. I'm just going to stipple the white face paint all over. Okay guys, so once my mask is fully white, I'm just going to start doing detail work. So first thing, I'm going to start creating shadows, and yeah, so going in with a black brown eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I'm done with the details. I just added some shadow under the cheekbone so that they will come up real good. Added some shadow under the eye area, so then some shadow here. Then I contoured the nose area so it gives him the real pointed nose that Jigsaw has. Then shadowed here and put the puppet line. So now I'm just going to go into the red. So I've done the swirlies, the red swirls. Now I'm just going to do the lip part. Jigsaw has really small lips as opposed to my big ass lips. So let's see. So those are the lips done. So now I'm just going to paint the eye area. I think I'm going to do it, I don't know, let me try doing it on camera. If I can't, then I might have to do it off camera. So guys, I've painted the inner parts or the places where I want black. So now this space, now I'm just going to paint it red. So okay guys, so once I'm done with the eyes, which I'm done with, I'm just going to pop on some random hair all over the way, just stippling some latex and doing that. So yeah, because Jigsaw got hair. So
failure to make the right choice could result in death.